Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. I lost another bet, so today I am making for you a recipe I am calling sausage and rice skillet. So to get started, I'm going to be making this yellow rice. So I have a pot of water over there that I'm boiling, and then we're going to be putting that in and cooking it. All right, rice going in. Give it a stir. So we're gonna need a lid for that. All right, now I'm just going by the package instructions for this. It tells me to reduce the heat to a simmer, and then we're gonna cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, so while that is cooking, we can go ahead and get started with our next ingredient, which is our sausage. So today I am using some smoked chicken and apple sausage. So we're gonna go ahead and slice that up, and then we'll be ready to brown it in our skillet. All right, so now we're in our skillet, which I've sprayed with some non-stick spray, and we are browning our sausage. All right, so this is looking good. So we are now ready to start adding in our rice. All right, so we're gonna add in some beans. I have a can of pinto beans I'm gonna be adding in, followed by a can of red beans. All right, so I drained the beans as much as I could before I put them in, and now we're gonna be adding some chicken broth to add in a little more moisture. All right, so this is looking good. Now we're just gonna let that simmer down a little. And we are almost ready to serve. All right, so our final ingredient is bacon bits, which we've gone ahead and sprinkled on the top. And we are now ready to serve and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you try this for yourself, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.